Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to save videos as GIF in Capcut apps. So after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the resolution option at the top right here. Just click on it and you can select GIF and you can select for the resolution. But for the high resolution, it's Pro feature. You have to join Pro Plus to be able to use this effect. Okay, I'm going to select this standard and then just click export, and you will have the GIF format for your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching.